how to check Prime Video resolution. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll be showing you how you can check your Prime Video resolution. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So now to check your resolution on Prime Video, there is no any exact option about resolution, but you can check your quality on your Prime Video. To check your resolution on Prime Video, what you can do is go to your Prime Video application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now you can see your profile icon, which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it and again tap on the settings gear, which is around at the top right side of the screen. And now you can see the option that says stream and download, and again you can see the option that says streaming quality. We do not have exact option about resolution. We can check our streaming quality. Tap on streaming quality and here you will be able to check your streaming quality or resolution on your Prime Video. There are 4 options, that is best, better, good and data saver, and your resolution gradually decreases when you pick these 3 options. The data saver is lowest resolution on your Prime Video, a little bit better, that is good, and more than good, that's better, and more than better, it's best. You can also toggle on use highest quality on Wi-Fi to change your resolution while using your Wi-Fi to its highest. So you can check your resolution here, so change it according to your choice. So I hope it was very easy to check resolution on Prime Video. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.